Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of home entertainment, specifically highlighting what we believe is the best full articulating TV mount on the market right now, the USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount. Whether you're looking to upgrade your setup or just starting fresh, this mount could be the perfect addition to your home. When you unbox the USX mount, the first thing that strikes you is the quality of the materials. Made from robust alloy steel, it's built to support TVs ranging from 47 to 84 inches and can hold up to an impressive 132 pounds. That's more than enough for most flat-screen or LED TVs. It's compatible with various VISA sizes from 200 by 100 mm to 600 by 400 mm, ensuring a perfect fit for your specific model. One of the standout features of this mount is its full motion capability. The dual articulating arms allow for a remarkable range of motion, including a +5 degrees to -15 degrees tilt and a plus or minus 45 degrees swivel. This means you can adjust your TV for the optimal viewing angle, no matter where you're seated in the room. Plus, the post-installation leveling adjustment allows you to fine-tune the position after it's already mounted, ensuring that everything is just right. Now, let's talk about installation. Many users fear that mounting a TV will be a complex task, but the USX mount makes it straightforward. The package includes detailed instructions along with all the necessary hardware. Each piece is pre-labeled, which eliminates confusion during assembly. However, it's worth noting that they don't provide concrete anchors as part of the package, given that they assume most installations will be on wood studs. If you need those, they're available separately, but they've wisely omitted them to avoid potential safety issues. The flexibility offered by this mount is truly impressive. It can pull out to 16.49 inches and retract back to just 2.40 inches from the wall, saving valuable space and keeping your living area looking neat. If you have a cozy setup, this feature is particularly useful. Imagine being able to pull your TV out for a movie night and then pushing it back against the wall when you're done. And let's not forget aesthetics. The USX mount is designed to blend seamlessly with modern decor. Its sleek design keeps your TV looking great, whether it's fully extended or pushed back. The included bubble level and cable ties help ensure a clean installation without unsightly wires hanging around. For families, gamers, or anyone who enjoys a great viewing experience, having the ability to adjust your TV to the perfect angle can make all the difference. The USX mount gives you that flexibility, ensuring everyone in the room has the best seat in the house. With its high user ratings and robust build, the USX mount truly stands out as an exceptional choice for anyone in need of a reliable and versatile TV mount. It's evident that USX mount has prioritized both functionality and ease of use in their design. So, if you're in the market for a TV mount that combines quality, flexibility, and ease of installation, look no further than the USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount. You can find it linked in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.